I would say that it's more duality than tension on my work. I look for everything that is alive to put on my work as inspiration or as real material. You birth, you live, you die, and you have this circle of time that also brings you to immortality. With art, I feel all this happiness inside to bring optimism to myself first and give it to everybody that is looking at it. I don't like to separate urban and natural. For me, nature is about human, vegetation, plants, water, minerals, and cosmos. When I was an architect, I was bringing happiness to the client, changing their way of life or getting it better. But for myself came a moment that I wasn't being happy. I have so much things on my brain, so much feelings when I did each painting or each work, that sometimes it's difficult to talk about it because it's still digesting in a way. Since the beginning it was linked to my body. The sculptures made in Murano are part of veins, of warmth, hearts, mixed with the water. I have a collection of water. I take it from the places that I've been, and it can be oceans, rivers, rain, snow. And I use this for my drawings because it's a way that I make a portrait of this place using its own material. By using water is the idea to connect with my own fluids and bring this fertility, this force from nature with my own, and then we exchange forces. When I close my eyes, I'm out of my body and just the soul comes up, no ego, no nothing. I just become part of everything. I met Lydia in London in 2016 and we became very close. We are working on this project a few months already to talk about this connection that is beyond frontiers, beyond cultures. And we are women, we are human beings, we are nature, and we are all together, nourishing, making life.
There is this continual movement in Daniela's work. She uses decay almost as the beginning and the explosion as a possibility of creation, which are all phenomena that we know about. The work we have here comes from different series created different times, and what I saw was this paradox of lightness in the gravity. It's impossible to separate the artist from the work. It is a direct expression of her observations, her collections, and her deep understanding of nature, our connection to it, and our spirituality. One wonders whether there is a pattern in nature or whether our shared DNA is responsible for this. But even in the functions of our bodily parts, like lungs, the way they swell and contract to accept and release air.
I think longevity comes with life, death, and immortality, with this process of infinity, infinitum.